What's up guys, this is Tampatec, and over a month ago I did a review how to set up the Google Wi-Fi. And the reason why is because I had issues with my Wi-Fi in my house. I have a lot of wireless devices connected to my cable modem slash router. This thing is probably close to 10 years old, and they refurbish them, recycle them, they move them around to customer. It's just breaking down, and the wireless feature wasn't reliable. I kept on having to reset it, unplug it for a minute, plug it back in, wait for it to boot up. It takes forever to boot up. You guys probably experienced that with your cable modem because they're not new, they're recycled, and they're probably over 5 years old. Well, I got a new technology, Google Wi-Fi, and it's super fast, and it covers a huge zone, around 1,500 square feet. Well, actually my house is close to 2,000 square feet, and it covers this house perfectly, no problems. I never have to reset my Google Wi-Fi. Unlike my cable modem, I have to continuously reset it every once a week and let it to reboot. It was really annoying. This guy, no, I don't have any of those issues with the Google Wi-Fi. Another great feature I'm going to show you in this video, if you have kids, this is a must. I'm going to show you one of my favorite features that the Google Wi-Fi offers.
I'm going to show you how to enable to schedule your kids' Wi-Fi where it turns off at their bedtime, aka God mode. So make sure, of course, you have a Google Wi-Fi that's working properly. Get into the app, click on Google Wi-Fi, and then you want to go over to the 4 dots on the right. Click on Family Wi-Fi. Click on the bottom dot on the bottom. Then you want to create on the bottom. We're going to label this one Kids Wi-Fi. Hit next and select their devices. Now sometimes their devices aren't named, something that's obvious.
To find the Wi-Fi name for your phone, just click on Settings and About Phone.
Let's go ahead and click on their devices. So click on one of their devices right here and hit next. And then hit continue. And you want to turn on safe search, which blocks bad websites like adult content and stuff like that. Of course, turn that on. If your kids are under 18, I highly suggest that. And now that is on file. Okay, let's go ahead and hit back. So when you go in there, let's say your kids are doing their chores and you want to delay their Wi-Fi, you could do that. Click on Family. Here's Kids Wi-Fi right here. You gotta pause it. If they're acting up and they're misbehaving, you can pause it by clicking on the pause button. And then they can't game, of course, until they do their chores. That works really well in my house. Go to Schedule. Alright, so actually the schedule's not put up yet. Click on the bottom right, and we're going to create a schedule for Kids Wi-Fi. So we're going to click on Kids Wi-Fi Bedtime, just like that. So we're going to be generous and set it to 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. That's 8 hours. Hit next. We're going to do that for school nights. Hit next. And yeah, just continue, and it should be done. So when you click on schedule, there's Kids Wi-Fi Bedtime. And now you can click on the 3 dots, and if they're doing their chores, you can delay it. You can skip it if you want them to have game time all night.
If this video was informative, give me a big thumbs up. And if you're interested in the Google Wi-Fi, click on the link in the video description below. If you know anyone that has kids and they'd be interested in the Google Wi-Fi and this feature, go ahead and click on the share button below and share this video to them. Help someone out. And if you want to check out my other Google product tutorials, click on this playlist link right here. And subscribe to Tampatec for more tutorials like this, and click on the bell notification to stay updated on the latest videos.